Thanks again for purchasing your reflective curb address sign from Address Appear Manufacturing. In this short video, we will explain the basic address sign installation process. Remember, these address signs can be installed directly onto the curb, or any flat surface. Like any project, a clean area is always recommended before installing your address sign. Use a leaf blower or broom to clean up the installation area. Check for any loose dirt or flaky paint before installing your address sign. Then use a wire brush, broom, or medium sandpaper to make sure the curb surface is extra clean and dry before applying the address sign. Once you decide where you want to place your new address sign, simply remove all the blue tape on the back of the sign, and gently press on the address sign. Make sure the address sign is level, before firmly pressing down. Continue to press firmly all around the address sign area to make sure the waterproof adhesive tape fully grabs hold. Note: for an extra strong installation, we recommend using a strong construction adhesive, but this is totally optional. Be sure to wipe the address sign with a clean damp towel after your completed installation to remove any dirt or fingerprints. Thanks for watching. Please feel free to contact us if you have any questions. Thanks again for your purchase, and please tell a friend about us. Sincerely, addressappear.com.